May your anger go down, good man. I am not here to make your spirit restless. But I'm here to ensure you don't go to the great beyond with the blood of the innocent maidens. This might not sound right to you, wherever you are. But I'm just doing what is right. I will bury you when the time is right. I will bury you at the appropriate time. Are you the mortuary attendant?
Yes, I'm the one. Any problem?
Yes. I'm here to deposit my father's corpse. I need you to protect this corpse like your life depends on it, because it does.
Are you threatening me?
It's not a threat. I don't want to hear stories. No one should come here to collect his corpse. Not even my mother. No one should be aware that my father's corpse is here. If this corpse goes missing, you will go missing as well. Am I understood?
Can I see this precious corpse?
King Akwamaka the Great shall go home. The greatest tree in Amanze kingdom has fallen, but he cannot be buried like a commoner. It is about that time in history where we perform the grave ritual of the king. A day we lower beautiful and vibrant maidens to the earth to be buried with a king that have passed away. The culture and tradition of Amanze will be like tomorrow, because tomorrow has no end.
elders of our land. What just happened?
Onabago. Yeah.
Adaku, what are you doing here? You were instructed to stay at home and take care of our mother.
Your wife is doing that already. I'm on a mission, and that mission must be accomplished. A mission that will trigger a revolution that will reset the dynamics, culture and politics of this land. Arinze, elders of our land, Adaku, the daughter of the king, is here to put an end to the existence of this evil, barbaric tradition.
You cannot open your mouth and say that the tradition of this kingdom is barbaric because the white man's religion brainwashed you to see your own tradition as evil. Eh?
It is evil to bury my father with his maidens. It is evil to waste the lives of these innocent maidens. It is evil to bury the king with these maidens. It is evil to bury the living with the dead. Oh no! Arinze, it is evil!
Adaku, how dare you? How dare you speak against the tradition that was there before you were born?
That the tradition is older than me does not make it right. What is evil, and I am here to put an end to it.
You have gone mad. This is an abomination, and you must cleanse this land for disrupting the sacred journey of the Grave Covenant.
What is sacred about this evil tradition? What is sacred about wasting the lives of innocent maidens? I am not only going to interrupt this, I will put an end to it.
Adaku! 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 What has come over you? Do you know the type of curse you're putting upon yourself?
You are the one bringing a curse upon your life by joining these elders in this show of shame. Arinze, if you don't leave this place and give my father's corpse to me, I will forget that you're my brother and waste you.
Adaku! My name is Prince Arinze Christopher, and I must perform the grave ritual!
1, 2, 3,
Adaku!
4!
My princess, in as much as we don't want to die, you have crossed the red line, and you might not survive this. This is far beyond you.
It's not beyond me. The war just began, and I'm ready to fight it to the end. Don't worry about me. Let me worry about myself. Maiden of the kingdom. Go home and live your life like every other person. You are free. No one will bury you with the king. Not even your fingernail will be touched. Go.
Dibia golozo, zo bulu dibia. Ayaga mulo menana, tibozo bo, kedifana za. Ebude deluo.
Madam, I bet you get dry gin. How much?
140.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
May your anger go down, good man. I am not here to make your spirit restless. But I'm here to ensure you don't go to the great beyond with the blood of the innocent maidens. This might not sound right to you, wherever you are. But I'm just doing what is right. I will bury you when the time is right. I will bury you at the appropriate time. Are you the mortuary attendant?
Yes, I'm the one. Any problem?
Yes. I'm here to deposit my father's corpse. I need you to protect this corpse like your life depends on it, because it does.
Are you threatening me?
It's not a threat. I don't want to hear stories. No one should come here to collect his corpse. Not even my mother. No one should be aware that my father's corpse is here. If this corpse goes missing, you will go missing as well. Am I understood?
Can I see this precious corpse?
Oh yes, yes. My husband and the elders have gone to bury the king. Oh, we'll start receiving visitors from tomorrow. Yes, you can come tomorrow. Please, I'll have to call you back, okay? All right.
Adaku did what? Arinze, please tell me you're joking. This cannot be true. She won't even dare.
She did!
She won't!
She did, mother! A woman had the guts to interfere with the custom and tradition of our land. She ambushed us with a gun. Not just that, mother. She set the maidens free and took away my father's corpse.
How?
Alu! Ademieme!
This has never happened in our community before. It has never happened.
Abomination! She did what? Is she on drugs? Why would she do that?
Her stupid excuse was, we can't bury our father with the maidens!
Hey! My enemies are at work. My enemies are at work and they're using my daughter Adaku to achieve their aims. Hey! Arinze, my son, what are the elders saying about it?
They have given me 24 hours to take action against her. Else, they would come up with a decision that would affect the entire family!
Chiwo. Hey!
Read my lips. Adaku would have to choose to go 6 feet down than for me to lose the throne.
No, my son. It has not gotten to that. Please. Where's my phone? Let me talk to Adaku. Hey! Where's my phone? Hey! 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 This guy will not kill me, oh! Adaku will not kill me! Hey! She's not picking.
Tradition has taken away my only sister. Now I'm left alone in this wicked world. On my own. What am I living for? away! You are dead! You are a ghost!
I'm not a ghost, sister. I'm alive! Princess Adaku came to our rescue. She said the maidens will not be buried with the king anymore, so she released us.
That's not possible! You are a ghost!
I'm not a ghost! I'm alive! You know what? I'm leaving this kingdom immediately! I'm tired.
Come with me immediately! Take this, boss. This is my life savings. Take it and go to our maternal home. Use it and start something for yourself. When you get there, call me.
Thank you, sister. And please, take good care of yourself.
And you too. May the God of justice be with you.
He's here. And you too.
Start going before they come for you. Start going.
It is a thing of honor that the gods find this very family worthy to carry a cross for the goodness of this kingdom. You were chosen by the gods to be buried with the king. This very honor bestowed to your family can equally attract the anger of the gods should you decide to sneak out of this kingdom or to run away. It will not only attract the anger of the gods, but it will attract so much calamity upon your family. You cannot avoid it.
But why must I be buried with the king? Why must we slaughter innocent maidens?
You have no right to question our culture.
It has been like that before our forefathers, and it will remain like that forever. Nothing can change it. You will be kept with the other maiden. While waiting for the new dates for the announcement of the burial of our king, any attempt to run, you will incur madness. And for your sister, punishment. Young lady, hand over your sister, because we do not have time to waste.
This is the money you gave me to start up a new life. But it's obvious there's no life for me out there. Please, take good care of yourself.
We don't have time. We don't have time.
I need to
We don't have time. going to? Huh? Where do you think you are running to?
I'm too young to be wasted in the name of tradition. Get off my way or I'll push you down.
Keep quiet! You have no right to question our culture. You have been chosen to die with the king, and there is no two ways about it.
Oh no, Madaka. Grab her. We are taking her to the central gate.
Omena na debara nyabia manoge buzi anyebu kawalokana nuwayo nifedi akuga joyo.
What do you want to do? Adaku, you want to beat me? Adaku, you want to fight me?
What in they sup for here now? What in they jig now? I don't understand. What in they sup for here? Oh, if you say I be small picking, where you go to slap anyhow, I be. What think calm? What try am again? You they hear me? I'm grown up. I know what is good and what is bad. Arinze must have told you what happened. I have no regret in the actions I took.
Adaku, is this why you came back from Warri? To interfere with the culture and tradition of our people? When a king is not buried with the maidens chosen by the gods, he becomes a restless soul. Is that what you want for your father? I'm asking you!
Lies. Fallacy. Father can rest in peace without wasting the lives of innocent maidens.
Adaku, where is your father's corpse? Where is my husband's corpse?
Answer the question, you little mortal.
Somewhere.
Hey!
No one can have access to. That corpse will remain hidden until we all come together and abolish this stupid, evil tradition. In this 21st century, you want to bury the king with innocent maidens? Never! I will not let it happen.
Adaku, your father was not an ordinary man. Your father was a king. A high-profile king at that.
I don't care. No finger of a maiden is going into the grave with him over my dead body, not when I'm alive.
Adaku, I know your plan. Adaku, you don't want me to be king.
She will not succeed.
You don't want me to be king! You do not want me to ascend the throne of my fathers. Because you're jealous. But guess what? I am going to crush you if you stand in my way. I'm giving you 24 hours to bring back the corpse of my father. Else
what? What do you want to? You don't whine? Don't think calm.
Adaku!
I started beating you with kids. Back in secondary school. I was beating boys who bullied you in school. I fought and defeated boys who wanted to take your life. You must be stupid to think I'll be afraid of you.
Adaku, do you want to die?
You whine?
Do you want to die?
Right now! Please! Not right now! I'm not well, go ask question. Don't think calm. You they feel me? I'm a moving train. I go crush you to pieces if you cross my paths. I'm not well, when I go ask question, not think calm. Make none of you for this place think calm, not the whine. Not the mad. I go put up for your body water, you the crazy.
Adaku, you have stepped on the tiger's tail.
Arinze, is this what you are going to do? Stand here and soak yourself in alcohol like a weakling?
How dare you? How dare you call me that?
You know I'm not a weakling, right?
Then act like a warrior. Act like the son of a king that you are. Is this how you're going to rule your people? I'm asking you, Arinze. When you're being faced with issues, instead of you to tackle it as a man, you stand here, soak yourself in alcohol without taking action.
Enough, woman! That's enough! I need to think. I need to think! And what's that noise outside?
I wouldn't know.
My elders, this visit doesn't look pleasant. Is everything okay?
How can it seem normal when we do not know where the remains of our late king is? Wherever he is, his spirit is restless and unhappy with all of us. My prince, it is obvious that your failure to go against your sister's misconduct has shown us that you will be a weak king.
Prince Arinze, we do not have all the time in the world to wait for you. You have 3 days. Just 3 days to present the cause of your father for the grave covenant. Else, kingship will leave your family.
And that is the decision of the men in council.
You don't have the right to take someone's life just because of tradition. Yeah. And how long will this keep happening? You came alone, you will go alone. And that's how it's supposed to be.
Did you hear that? Mother, did you hear that? You. Have you seen what your stupidity is costing this family?
Watch your mouth, young boy. Saving the lives of those innocent maidens has nothing to do with stupidity.
We are going to lose royalty in 3 days if we do not present your father's corpse to the elders. Adaku, this madness has to stop at once. Where is your father's corpse?
Mother, I am disappointed in you. You are a woman. You pass through tears and pains to give birth to your children. As a mother, you're supposed to be against the killing of these innocent maidens. You are a mother, for crying out loud.
My motherhood has nothing to do with tradition. I am not the first queen to endorse tradition. This has been in existence for generations.
It takes one generation to make that change. That generation is my generation. To hell with the throne. My father will not be buried with innocent maidens, and that's on period.
Adaku! Adaku!
Adaku!
Hello, Uncle.
Hello, Dikeh, my son.
How are you doing?
Oh yes, I am very fine. Listen, There is something I want to tell you. Very important. And I want you to pay very good attention. Yes. I want you to come to Arinze and take over the kingship. Yes, it's time for the throne to return to our family. Oh, yes.
But wait, Uncle. I thought the late Igwe had a son that would take over from him. What happens to him?
The corpse of the late king is missing, and the so-called son is not doing anything about it. Yes, the elders has given him 3 days as the deadline to provide the corpse. From all indication, it seems he won't be able to meet up with the deadline. Yes, I want you to come home so that upon your arrival, we will discuss more about this.
Uncle. This is why you are my favorite uncle. You are deeply rooted in the kingdom's politics. You know how to spot opportunities like this and how to grab them. Uncle, okay. If that is the case, I'll be in the village this evening.
Okay, Uwan. Come home, let's play the politics and take the throne. That's my boy. Eh? I shall be waiting for you. Yes, this is a very good opportunity.
This man. This is a great opportunity. I'll sure grab it. Damn, let's go.
GPO. Yeah, this is Prince Arinze, Christopher Akwamaka, of Amanze, Asian Kingdom. Thank you. I'm calling to report a missing case. My father's corpse is missing. I want to oblige you to send in your men to search every nook and cranny of this town. Good. Whatever it takes to mobilize your men, I shall provide. Thank you.
Iche, what are you doing here? What's going on?
You have committed a terrible sacrilege in this land, and your blood must be used to cleanse the land.
No! No! Jesus. Who's there? Who's there? These elders are up to something.
Do you know what your father went through to become the king? Do you know what he faced to retain the crown in this family? And we are about to lose everything just because of a simple task required from us by the elders.
Mother, killing innocent maidens is not a simple task. You should join hands with me to stop this madness. Why should the lives of innocent maidens with a great future be taken because we want to bury the king? Why?
That is the only way the soul of the king will find rest. If those maidens do not go down the grave
with him, his spirit will be restless for eternity. And he will be so restless and angry. We won't have peace. My daughter, please, I beg you, release the corpse of your father to your brother to present to the elders for the grave ritual. Please, don't allow my enemies to laugh at us. Please, my daughter, I beg you, please.
Arinze, you cannot depend on the police to help find your father's corpse. Your sister might have brought them to her side. Who knows? Listen, you have 2 days. 2 days left to produce your father's corpse, else kingship will leave your family. Arinze, you have to use every means possible to find that corpse.
What do you have me do? Turn myself into a wizard and locate my father's corpse? Is that what you want? My love, the entire elders in council, they have all left me to fight this battle alone. And at this point, there's nothing else I can do.
Kidnap her.
What?
Yes, Arinze. Kidnap your sister. Yes. Let the boys torture her. Let them torture her until she confesses where she kept your father's corpse.
That's my sister, my blood. I can't hurt her.
Arinze, she's about to make you lose your birthright. You need to prove that you are a man. Prove that you are the son of a king. That is the right thing to do. Arinze, you will sit on that throne. You will rule as king, and I will sit beside you as your wife and queen. We will rule this kingdom together.
Zanga, where are you? Listen and listen good. I have a job for you. I'll send you the details on WhatsApp. Zanga, we never had this conversation. Good. What nonsense are you talking about? You're such a disappointment. A simple task? You can't carry it out? What the hell is wrong with you? Listen, I regret giving you this job. Listen, just get out. Get off my phone. Get off my phone! Who's there?
I was attacked today by some masked men. I hope it's not be you send those guys after me. Because if I find out your hand there inside, I swear to God it go be for you. I go feed your intestines to vultures.
Adaku, you will do no such thing. You will not threaten the incoming king of Amanze kingdom. You will not!
Is that not why you married him? Your body and soul is obsessed with the throne of Amanze. You see him as the incoming king. I see him as my little bro. You dey show yourself. You just dey misbehave and they look you. And they observe you. You don't know say I get right to marry many wives for my bro. One call like this, women go line up for here, babes. Only one call in 2 seconds, everywhere go bust. You go marry them. I'm not well, oh. I go wound you. I go buy you. I go waste you. I go bury you. Nobody go see your body. Then body go surplus. You then mad. You then whine. And as for you, you see that drama what you do today? Man just tag am say na stunt. Say na game you dey play. Oh God, if you try am again, you go beef for you. I'm not well, oh. I go buy you. I'm not saying your papa. Come on for them. I'm not match you. They mad. Idiots.
Elders of Amanze kingdom, I greet you all.
You're welcome.
There is a saying that you don't go to the elders without kola nuts. This right here is the kola nut I came with.
Elders, what you happen? Are you manasina? What you say na dear Zenaka? Hey, you can see it. Eh? You can see it. It's safe because hey, once again you are welcome, and I know that this your coming is not ordinary, so I want you to go straight to the point why you actually came to see us.
Also, no, thank you very much. You have spoken well. I believe I don't need any introduction. You elders know me very well. You watched me grow as a baby in this very same kingdom. And you all know how much the affairs of this kingdom mean to me. You know how much I love and care for the affairs of this kingdom. The royal family. The royal family have committed an abomination. As a matter of fact, they have insulted the tradition and the culture of this community.
Okay, wow. Omekanaya.
They insulted our tradition by interrupting the burial rites of our late king. And so, I don't think royalty should remain in their family. I came with a request, a proposal. Oh no, cheer. Crown me the next king of Amanze kingdom, and I shall bring development to this kingdom. I will bring businesses that will multiply our revenues. I will make Amanze kingdom the envy of other kingdoms.
Okay, wow.
Well, point of correction. It was the princess that disrupted the burial process of the king and not the prince.
Will you keep quiet? What is the difference? Are they not all the same family? You better keep your mouth shut if you have nothing better to say.
Who are you? How dare you tell me to keep quiet?
You are not like your child. There is no need for this. We all know that the royal family has 2 more days to get the remains of our late king. Else, royalty will depart the family. On this very note, I am asking you, Dikeh, to give us time and to give the royal family time too. If they fail to provide the remains of our late king within the next 2 more days that is remaining, traditionally, they are no longer qualified to provide the next king.
You're right.
And we will have no other option than to present someone that has future prospects of this noble kingdom as the next king, which is our noble son sitting before us here. Is it not so?
Oh no. Ihe banaka adịghị enyo. While you wait, bear Dikeh in mind.
We will always remember our noble son. My prince, my queen, we must hasten up with anything we have to do. Dikeh is doing everything possible to sit on the throne. He has started sharing money to gullible elders to buy their support so that he can be the next king of this land.
Oh no! That's impossible.
I agree with you.
The throne of my father belongs to me. And no man born of a woman can take it away from me. And as for Dikeh, he feels he is the stubborn fly. But I have a message for him. It is only the stubborn fly that follows the corpse to the grave.
Oh no. My prince, you are the heir apparent to the throne of this land. Garbage you. But I must tell you, do everything within your powers to make sure that you have your father's remains within the next 2 days. Else, Dikeh will sit on the throne of your fathers.
Hello everyone, my name is Kasi Akwamaka. I am the daughter-in-law to late King Akwamaka Chukwuemeka. The corpse of my late father-in-law has been missing, and this is about to cost us the throne. A budget of 5 million naira has been budgeted and will be rewarded to anyone that will give us a useful information as to where the corpse is. Are you a mortician? Is the corpse kept in your custody? Please call the number on the screen and give us whatever information that you have. And we promise to give the 5 million naira that has been budgeted to that person. Please, this information is very, very important to the royal family. Just call the number and tell us whatever information that you have. We are pleading. 5 million naira that has been budgeted will be... Adaku! Adaku, what is the meaning of this? Why will you smash my phone?
And I will smash your head if you don't mind your business.
My business? Adaku, I am married to this family. Alright? Whatever thing that happens around here is part of my business. My husband is about to lose the throne and you expect me to sit and do nothing? Your education is a waste if you place the throne above human lives. I thought you were educated. I thought you went to the 4 walls of university. You're supposed to be speaking against this barbaric tradition and not encouraging it because you want your husband to become king. Adaku, if you think that being educated empowers you to go against cultures and tradition, that means you're not educated. You're just an educated illiterate. That is what you are. What did you talk just now? You heard me. Educated illiterate, that is what you are. Repete. Educated illiterate. Mad. You're mad. Arinze! Arinze! Arinze!
It's okay, my princess, it's okay. My princess, please, it's okay, my princess.
You want to please, my princess?
My princess, please. It's okay.
Arinze! Arinze!
Adaku! Have you gone mad? What the hell is wrong with you? Do you think this is a marketplace? God, lock that gate now. Adaku, apologize to her.
If I apologize to this witch, make this ground swallow me. I know what one.
Adaku, this is your last warning. On the count of 3, apologize to my wife.
Arinze said I'm not going to try him.
1,
2, 4,
3,
5.
Adaku. Adaku. You must think. You hold the monopoly to madness.
Don't fight me. Let's say you won't lose the throne.
Adaku.
Wait, let's say you won't lose the throne now.
Deal with
Let's say you
her!
won't lose the throne now. Try him.
Deal with her!
Blood go flow.
Deal with her!
Try him. Put body. Put body. Put body.
Yes!
Put body now. Your blood go enter blood. Try him.
Arinze!
They fear you.
Arinze, deal with her!
I will stone you this night, you Chris.
Adaku. 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 I called you 3 times. That's a warning. Be careful. The only reason I'm not laying my hand on you is because you're a woman. I won't warn you again.
Wait! Arinze!
Don't forget she's your elder sister. She's still your elder sister, for crying out loud. That shouldn't make you to ask the guards to lock up the gate and attack your sister. That's disrespectful.
I beg your pardon, mother? Disrespectful, you say?
Yes.
She slapped my wife! She smashed her phone! Without considering the fact that I am heir to the throne. And most importantly, I am her brother, her blood brother! What disrespect is more than that? Wait, mother. Are you taking sides? No, tell me. On whose side are you?
Prince, calm down. I know you're angry. I know you're angry. I understand your anger. Yes, I do. But you should have handled this like a man and a king in making. It is said that 2 wrongs can never make a right. Eh? Please, my son. Cassie, please. I am sorry. I'm begging on behalf of my daughter. What she did was wrong. Please forgive her. Ask for your phone. I will replace it. Okay? Please.
No way, mother. No way! I want my phone intact! The exact way it was before she smashed it! Anything other than that is unacceptable by me. Excuse me, mother.
Cassie. Arinze, my son, you have to help me speak to your wife. We cannot be allowed to be divided now. If we are divided, the enemies will get us. Please, my son.
5 million ke.
Omena na debara nyabia manoge buzi anyebu kawalo kana no wayo ni fedi akuga joyo ifedi akuga joyi kawalo ndije kawalo kana no wayo ni fedi akuga joyi
Olo na boy dey talk. I dey for where they keep your papa dead body. I dey work for them.
Are you serious?
Yes. I see video for online. When I thought say they will give 5 million to anyone that give you people information about the king's corpse. Now why I call now?
Yes. My wife actually recorded the video and put it out.
That one, but we'll get policy for here. Payment before location. You go drop funds. Then I go send you location.
Listen, if I see the corpse, right, and confirm it is my father's, I'll send you the money.
No, you get us with the door for here, chama. Now payment before this day. You go send money, then I go give you location.
Record yourself close to the corpse right now and send it to me.
I go do video with your papa dead body. Me and I'm go do video. I'll consent and give you. Make you observe her.
Done.
Who be that? You want to go buy a and bread this hot afternoon? I better go rest. We'll make to the sleep. You come and say you want to go buy. No disturb my life. Defend money. Where you dey go? You dey craze. Come on, go inside.
Are you sure the guy is real?
Yes, mother, he is. I'm waiting for him to send the video for confirmation, and after that, I'll send his balance across. Oh, shoot! He just sent it.
And it's real?
What? That's father lying down there.
My husband. Babe,
that's father lying down right there.
Can I have it? Oh my God.
Babe, you need to call him immediately. You need to call him immediately.
Okay.
Call him for the location. My goodness.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. Confirmed. Can you kindly send your location, please?
Yes.
Hold on, okay, you know what? I'll send it right away. Alright then, I'll send your balance. I'll send your balance across right now. Good, thank you. Just send the location, okay? Thank you very much. Yeah. Guards!
Yes, my priest.
Guards!
Yes, my priest.
Get the gate.
Yes, my priest.
Son! Please. You have to be very careful. Please. Okay? Please. Drive carefully. Take it easy. Huh?
Arinze, I'm coming with you.
Okay.
You
guys should be
No drum again. You want people where they sleep?
I want my father's corpse. Go in there and bring him for me now.
Calm down, you know the quarrel. You asked me to keep the corpse safe. I've done just that. Don't you trust me anymore?
Somebody tells me my father's corpse is not safe in here. Go in and bring my father's corpse now, this minute. What's up?
Relax, chillax. Cool your temper. You know, ask me to keep this thing. It's very safe. They don't trust me.
You're mad. You're mad. Go inside that place and give me the corpse. Fast! Man, don't blow your head for here.
ISB da. You know what you go happen? You go calm down, bring her down first. Bring her down. Make her go sanitize and see let them know say you there. You say you won't come carry her. If you agree, I will present them to you. But if you no agree, you don't be.
No worry, I go talk to them myself. Open the door fast. Fast, I beg.
wait outside. People want to see you now. Now they ready. Prepare. Confront. Confront. Open your hand now.
Okay, do this thing fast.
Go do your hand before you go.
Oh yeah, quick.
People want to see you now. Calm down.
I'm out to save my kingdom. No matter the cost, I will fight it to the end.
Oh, that's shut up your mouth. Nothing is better like this. Fast, fast.
Wait.
Calm down. I'm going inside. Hold on, go inside. Calm down.
How are you? I'm fine, sir. You're welcome. My presence is good. You're welcome. I greet you, my prince.
Are you the young man I have been speaking to on the phone?
Now you press 5 AM, enter there. My house.
I beg your pardon?
I said, now you press 5 million, enter my house.
Yes, I sent you 5 million.
I receive them.
I'm here for the corpse.
Eh? Your sister don't come carry.
Hello, young man.
Sir.
I'm here for my father's corpse.
Now what's how they talk, sir? You know, sir knows how we speak English. I say, your sister don't come carry.
Young man.
Sir.
I'm not here to joke. Where's my father's corpse?
And the same thing I try to explain give you. Your sister, she carry white ambulance, come here. Say, make her.
Was that the agreement I had with you? We had an agreement, right?
Yes.
I sent you 5 million, right?
Yes. I receive her.
I'm here for the corpse now.
She don't come carry.
My friend, shut up! Are you stupid?
No. That's not possible. All right, we didn't even see her car on our way here.
Can I get my father's corpse now?
Sir, your sister don't come carry him. Your sister don't come carry him. She come here. I just be there. I press and give.
What nonsense are you talking about? I'm not here to joke.
She come and she say make I sanitize them. I do sim for the better perfume. I can't give them. No, go inside. They call it to conversation. You the mad? Go make them bam you. Tula waka. Won't go back. Okay, go inside. Someone, sir, my prince, your sister don't come carry the call. Your papa dead body.
Arinze, please, let's go. We need to go after your sister. This man is you're sick in the head. Something is wrong with you. The 5 million, give us.
Alright, can I get back my money?
I can't hear you speaking loud.
Can I get back my money?
We know to do no reform policy for here. No reform.
Young man, do you know who you're talking to?
I know, sir.
Can I get back my money?
No verse, sir.
Can I get back my money?
People want visit to now. I want to give her the money. Let's go. My prince. My prince, na cash I get. Come carry am. Na 5. If you add extra 1, I will give you. Maybe 6.
You're a very stupid person.
I know. Come collect the money now. My prince, you don't need the money. I get cash. I will do assistant for you. My prince, the driver.
Arinze, I am asking you, can you answer me? Why are we here? Why are we stopping?
I need to think.
You need to think. Arinze, you don't need to think, you need to act.
I need to think, woman.
Arinze, I don't understand why we are here. The more we are wasting time, the further your sister is going. We need to go after her.
I said I need to think.
No, you don't need to think.
And I need you to shut up.
I need to think.
Jesus Christ!
Nena!
Adaku! That's an ambulance and your father's corpse is in it.
I'll explain everything to you, okay? Let's just take the corpse inside.
Inside where? Inside my house? How?
Nena, you're a medical doctor. You know the right process to preserve a corpse. Alright? This is the only place this corpse can be safe. Let's take it inside. I beg you.
If I take this corpse inside here, how am I going to sleep at night? It's not possible. I can't do that.
Nena, this is not a one-room apartment. You can keep the corpse in one of the rooms. I don't want these evil elders to lay their hands on my father's corpse. They can only see my father's corpse when this evil tradition is abolished.
Adaku, you are playing with fire. You cannot win tradition.
Killing of twins was part of tradition before it was abolished. Men and women of goodwill fought the tradition and today twins are born. If we fold our hands, evil will prevail. We can't let it happen.
My friend, I love your boldness, but I fear for your life.
I'll be fine. Don't worry about me. Just make sure this corpse is safe. Make sure it's fresh. Alright? I don't want these elders laying their hands on it. Bill me. I'll pay.
See, I'll help you keep it, but not in this house. Let's take it to my hospital morgue. It will be safe there. But not in my house.
Whatever, as long as these elders don't lay their hands on it.
Please, let's take this thing out of my house.
Where is the corpse? Have you submitted it to the elders? Can somebody talk to me?
Father's corpse was taken away before we got there.
I don't understand.
She threatened the mortician to release the corpse and he did.
Oh my God. How did she know you were going there? You have to trace that girl and reclaim that corpse back.
Mother, we did. We tried. We chased her, but along the way, she was so fast to escape.
What is wrong with that girl, Adaku? Eh? I've had enough of her and all her nonsense. It is time for me to teach her a bitter lesson. She can't continue to frustrate this family like this. What is wrong with her?
What's the meaning of this, Mother?
I am sure you understand the meaning of this ritual. Adaku, I carried you in my womb for 9 good months. I have the power to lay a curse on you that will render your life miserable.
You will try this kind of nonsense now. You not ball now. What it be this? Eh? I'm fighting for justice and fairness. Okay, I want to ask you this question. Why be say if king die, now innocent villagers, innocent people that they bury with him? But then they bury the king with the children. Even you, as the queen, as a wife, why not prove your love for your husband by entering the casket and make they bury you with her? Okay, you don't want to die. You don't fear to die. You don't want to buy. But now innocent people, now fit to buy. No now. No make sense. Mother, listen. I am fighting for the future generation. Enough of the blood shed. It's enough. Okay?
You're talking trash. Absolute nonsense. Adaku, I did not remove my foot away and raise this native broom to be arguing nonsense with me. Adaku, let me tell you. If you do not submit my husband's corpse to me in the next 24 hours, I will disown you and I will lay a curse on you. This is a vow. Damn me! You're talking trash. Absolute nonsense. Adaku, I did not remove my foot away and raise this native broom to be arguing nonsense with me. Adaku, let me tell you. If you do not submit my husband's corpse to me in the next 24 hours, I will disown you and I will lay a curse on you. This is a vow. Die me!
I was banished from Amanze for speaking up against the tradition of burying kings with maidens. I was warned by my mother that I can never win such fights, but I didn't listen. The worst thing that can happen to a child happened to me.
What is that?
There is something a child should not pray to experience. You see that woman that gave birth to you. You should not provoke her to the point of laying a curse on you, because that is the worst thing that can happen to any child, especially when she have warned you with a native broom about the course ahead.
The worst thing that can happen to anyone is to offend a mother to the extent that the mother will open her mouth and place a curse on that child. What's the essence of this whole thing? Fighting for the people and getting cursed by my own mother. I'm just calling Nena to bring out the cops because I don't want to be cursed. Instead, I'll pack my things out of this kingdom and go back to worry. Or better still, just travel out of the country.
I'm out to save my kingdom. No matter the cost, I will fight it to the end.
Hello dear, sorry I missed your call. I was busy doing something. Adaku, I must say this to you. You are one of the most brave and fearless women I've come across in this life. If you have more of your kind, the society will be a better place in a few years.
You think so?
No, I don't think so, my friend. I know so. You are fighting a just cause. And your name will be written in the wall of Amanze history as the first lady to rise up against the grave covenant tradition. My earnest prayer for you, my friend, is that you succeed.
I actually called you for something, but your words just changed my mind.
Okay, what is it?
Never mind.
Okay, alright, bye.
What is the meaning of this?
So you're the fraudster who came to Amanze to cause confusion. What makes you think your generation can ascend the throne?
You know, I find it funny how an aspired prince like you, who is not even man enough to stand firm and reclaim his father's throne, will stand right there, speaking to the incoming king of Amanze, ranting like a mad dog. You see, Arinze, you came late to the party. In a few days' time, I will ascend the throne of Amanze, and there is nothing you or anyone else can do about it. Arinze, Epeka, Epelon too much.
We shall see. That's your house, right? House 44. I got full.
Arinze, I'm worried here for Arinze, you may get anything. I shall be waiting.
Dibia golozo, gozo bulu dibia. Ayaga mulo menana, tibozo bo, kedifana.
Are you serious? Your mom raised the native broom and threatened to curse you. What are you waiting for, Adaku? See, don't even allow that to happen. Because if you do, you're going to regret it for the rest of your life.
I don't care. Seriously, I don't care. Like you rightly said yesterday, if you try to stop evil, you either pay with your life or with your relationship. If putting an end to this evil tradition will cost me my relationship with my family, so be it.
Adaku, I'm not going to keep allowing you risk your life for this community. You see that corpse? I'm going to my house this minute to bring it here.
Nena, I paid you. I paid you so you can keep that corpse very safe in your house. Only me can tell you to bring it out. What is wrong with you?
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Babe.
Yeah.
Babe, guess what?
Guess what? What?
Guess. Can you guess?
I can't guess. Just tell me, what is it?
Good news. I just found out where your father's corpse is being hidden.
What?
You heard me. I know the location, the exact location where your father's corpse is being hidden. I know the place.
What did you say?
You know Nina? Nina, the medical doctor.
Yes, my sister's friend.
Exactly. It is her place. That is where the corpse is hidden. I overheard a conversation with Adaku. Sweetheart, you need to rush to that location. You need to take action before they move that corpse out of that place.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious, babe. I'm not joking.
Okay, this again. Hello? All these big man children, eh? So, now, wait, now when una want do something, una go dey remember person. Wetin happen yesterday, wetin play yesterday, you know who call to find out how we take dismiss, how we take discharge. Now you dey come for that thing again. Wetin you want? I know now. I talk am. I know say you dey find something. Now let you dey call me again so. So how urgent that the job dey? As soon as possible. Okay, now no wahala now. So you know say me I no dey use money dey play o. What about my money now, my payment? Yeah, no wahala now. Trust me now, I go deliver. No wahala.
like she's not yet back home. Stand now.
Open the door.
Jesus Christ.
Open the door. Where's the cops?
I don't know about any cops, so I just came in now to see my sister, and she's not around.
Where's the key to the house?
I don't know where the key to the house is.
You think somebody joke for you, Abby?
Please,
Eh?
Sure say this number correct?
Yes. That's a number.
Not correct, I'll buy you.
She wants juice.
Hello? Who is this?
Comport yourself. You dey hear me? No matter where you dey, just comport yourself. Your sister, she's home. She dey with us and her life dey your hands.
Jesus Christ.
I say quiet your mouth. Not the hear say comport yourself.
Okay, I can hear you, sir. I can hear you.
See, if we not see the king dead body in the next 30 minutes, we go poof your sister. Consider your sister dead. She dey here, make her give her the phone when you talk to her. Talk to your sister.
Hello, sister. Please don't allow them to kill me. Please save me.
Chop! You don't hear her now. You don't hear her now, Abi. See, her life dey for your hand. In the next 30 minutes, we not see the king dead body. Your sister will not buy her. She don't go. It's up.
Okay, I'm on my way. I'll leave here right away. I'm coming.
What is it? Why did you scream like that? You sound worried.
I have an emergency in the hospital. I need to be there and I need to attend to it. I'll see you later, please.
Hello, please don't harm my sister. I beg you, please, please. I've seen the location you sent on WhatsApp. Please don't harm my sister. I beg you. I'm coming, please. Please. Adaku, what are you doing here?
Where are you going to?
I told you earlier that I'm going to the hospital. I have an emergency.
You must think I'm a fool. From the way you answered that call, I knew something was fishing. Where are you taking my father's corpse to?
No.
Don't provoke me. I ask again, where are you taking my father's corpse to?
My friend, my sister was kidnapped. They called me and they demanded for your father's corpse as ransom. Please, my friend, my sister is the only one I have in this life. Please. I'm going to my hospital morgue to take the corpse to them. Please, my sister's life is very important. Please.
You should have told me.
Adaku, how am I supposed to tell you? I know the kind of person you are. You are going to refuse to this kind of thing. Please, help me. My sister is in danger. Please. Adaku, please.
See, your sister, they waste our time here. We go poof you.
Please be patient. Just let me here, please.
Alaye, call that it out again. If she give any rubbish excuse, we go where's this girl come up for here?
No, I'll make her ring her.
Because you will never brush your face, Abby. Eh?
Hello? Hello?
I see and say, you don't love your sister. You know you get single love for this your sister. If we not see you and the cops, between the next few minutes, we go bush out your sister any I carry give you.
No. Please, please, I beg you, with everything I hold sacred, please. Don't hurt my sister. I'm on my way with the cops already in the car. My vehicle just spoiled. But I'll fix it. I'm on my way. I'm coming. Please, help me.
No wahala, your sister alive, dey your hand. If we not see you, we go just bush out your sister. Boof your sister I carry give you.
She dey play now, Abi. She dey play. They play.
Please now, I beg you, please don't harm my sister. I'm on my way. You see me in the next 10 minutes. You see me now, please.
Blow my trumpet.
Make welcome the incoming, His Royal Majesty, King Arinze Christopher Akwamaka Obato Zuorora, the second in Amanze, Ancient Kingdom.
Igwe!
Thank you. Thank you.
That's my son.
Let's toast to the throne.
Yes, to the throne. To the throne.
Finally, royalty won't leave this family. In a few moments, my father's corpse shall arrive, and we shall officially fix the date for the grave ritual.
You are indeed your father's son. Your father's blood runs through your veins. Arinze, you are a lion. Agu there! Agu! Why you kwa? Imanakira.
Mother.
Yes.
He is not just a lion. He is a tiger. Agubona.
In fact, I'm going to order the guards to go slaughter a big he-goat so that I will use it to prepare sumptuous pepper soup for you.
Thank you, Mom.
Where's the cops? Where's the cops?
We have to confirm the cops first.
Go and confirm it. I'm here with the captain.
The boot is open.
Are you sure it's open?
It's open.
Come on,
mad.
Please don't kill me. It don't be for you.
Please don't kill me.
Hello, DPO. I have one of the kidnappers. Location? By the river bank.
Please don't kill me.
Thank you.
Please don't kill me.
You mad? You mad? You mad? You don't fear? You know they look first? They send you a message, you don't fear. You don't fear. You're mad. Are you okay?
Is everything okay?
I sense danger, Mom. Something is not right. They should be here by now. They're not taking my calls.
My king, believe me, nothing has happened. Okay? You're just getting yourself worked up for nothing. Allow these people do their job while you wait for results.
My instincts has never lied to me. They're not picking.
Arinze! At this place, they inside, you don't get where they go. EP. Arinze! Arinze! Come out! And the beast with this. This is the beast that sent kidnappers to kidnap my friend's sister. He must face the full wrath of the law. Ada,
what is this now? Eh? Arrest who?
Young man, do you know him?
I'm sorry, I don't know him. I've never seen him before.
Okay. When we get to the station, you will know.
What? Hey, listen. Are you aware this is my palace?
Yes.
Are you aware I'm the crown prince of Amanze kingdom? Do you know what you're doing?
Officer, please, let's go in and settle this. Eh? Please. We can settle it and make
it. What did they settle? Okay, you want bribe him? You don't see him now? The Bible says, spare the rod and spoil the child. You don't spoil this one finish, you don't rot it, don't they smell. You know they get himself again. After you go say you be role model to the girls in this community, you not be role model or guy. You dey very corrupt, you dey spoil people. Officer, get us to go waste time for this place. This woman go manipulate you the way she manipulate this boy. Move this thing, come out for this place, fast!
Mother, are you sure she's my father's blood?
Before uncle, I be your papa blood and now your mama blood now no be. We no connect, we no feel link, we no feel relate because this woman is corrupt. Officer, come out this thing from here now. What's this up?
Adaku! Ini Yala! Have you gone mad?
You don't know say I'm not mad before.
Did you forget yourself?
You don't know say I don't dey craze before. Okay, you don't know. Oh, Nana, you know. Go ask question, not well, though. If they pay me say Nana, you and my mama, they know say I'm not well. Are they mad? Okay, come on this man for me and make you go dey move front, enter cell, fast.
Young man.
Did you forget where you are?
Young man, we are not here for this drama. Officer,
sir,
move him.
Listen, there is no time. Move.
Sorry, excuse me, sir. I am the crown prince of Amanze kingdom. He has no right to touch me.
Jama, move.
Don't touch me.
Why you
don't touch me?
Move.
Okay, move. Who give you prince?
Mother, please.
Move.
They're taking my husband away.
Move.
Mother, please.
Okay, move.
Are you trying to move?
Wait, calm down.
Mother, do something.
Don't worry, I will settle it. Don't worry. Let them go. I will go to the station.
Adaku.
I don't know why this girl is like this.
Mother, we don't have to waste time. We need to do something. I don't know whatever thing you want to do. Just do.
Let me call my lawyer.
Officer! Please, I need medical attention, please!
Who be that when they disturb my chief? Eh? Medical attention will kill you there. When they do kidnap, you don't know.
You're a big disappointment. Zanga. A simple job. Eh? You allowed a woman to overpower you. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? And instead of you to take the fall alone, you had to implicate me. I'm sorry, my prince. Everything happened so fast. But you get lawyer now.
Come on, shut up!
My prince, you get connect. You get proof for high places. No, you put call now. See how they pleads now, my prince. I need medical attention. Me, I don't walk by for you.
Shut up!
I don't walk by for you. I go cast matter. I will cast things so.
Officer, please. I don't want you to misunderstand my invitation. I would have come to your office myself, but as you can see, I am mourning my husband. And as the tradition demands, I am not supposed to step out of the palace until all the rituals are done.
It's okay, Your Majesty. I understand.
Please, DPO, I want you to release my son. I will pay whatever it takes for you to die this case. We have a lot already in our hands. We don't need this distraction at this moment. Please, release him to me and I will remain grateful.
I am sorry
Your Highness, I cannot release your son. This is a criminal case. A kidnapping case for that matter.
DPO, my son is not a kidnapper. He just took the young lady to scare them to release the corpse of the king. Please, help me release him. And I will remain grateful.
Your Highness, yes. Do you know the pain and trauma people go through when they are kidnapped? Some never recovered fully from it.
Officer, please, it is not what you think at all. Alright? My husband just put this for them to return the king's corpse. That is all. Please do not look at it towards that direction. I mean, it is not a pure kidnapping case per se.
Kidnapping is kidnapping. The only person that can change the direction of this case is the victim.
Is somebody here?
Hi, Queen.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What a surprise visit.
I know. I needed to speak to you one-on-one. That is why I'm here.
My queen, you should have sent for me instead of coming here. You are the queen of our kingdom, and you are not supposed to be visiting commoners like us.
This so-called commoner has something very important to give to me, which is your forgiving heart. Nena, please, my son is not a kidnapper. He was just protecting the throne. The elders were threatening to give the crown to Adaku, who has been throwing money around. He was just using this opportunity of what is happening to grab the throne. Please, help me withdraw this case. Please, I need your help. Withdraw this case.
Never. We will never withdraw that case. Your son must face the full wrath of the law. Chisom, I know that you are very angry at the moment, but I need you to calm down, please. Sister, don't tell me to calm down. Do you even know what I went through in the house of those boys? If I had blood pressure, I would have died in that camp.
I understand. I will pay for damages. Please name your price.
I don't need your stupid money. You couldn't use to train your son well. Chisom! Why this attitude? Have you forgotten that this is the queen of this kingdom? And you are behaving like this in her presence? Get inside! Move! Go inside! Sister, whatever decision you take here without my approval is dead on arrival. Excuse me. Excuse me. I really apologize on her behalf. I'm really sorry.
There's no need to apologize. I understand how she feels. Please, just help me to speak to her. Talk to her to withdraw the case. My son is not a kidnapper. He was just desperate to protect the throne. Please, do not allow my enemies mock me. Please, Nena, help me.
My queen, I will speak to my sister. She's still my kid sister, and I know she's going to listen to me. So you have nothing to worry about.
Thank you very much. I'll be expecting to hear from you.
Sure,
okay?
I'll do that.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my queen. Chisom, I'll be a fool if I think you overreacted there. I've also been sensitive if I think that I don't have the right to feel the way you are feeling now. But being human, I'll beg you to forgive me. This is not even a case of kidnapping. They only wanted me to release the corpse of the king that is in my custody. Sister, kidnapping is kidnapping. I could have died in their hands. I know. And I thank God that nothing happened to you. You know the royal family has always been our old-time family friends. And they've been of help to us from the very beginning. Please, my sister, I beg you, Forgive them, so that we withdraw this case. Please. I'll call the PPO. Thank you. I've got to go. No, thank you.
Welcome home. Arinze, the kidnapper. You're lucky Ini that my girlfriend has a good heart. You would have slept in jail for the rest of your lives. I hope you have learned your lessons.
It's you that is going to learn your lesson. Today, being a K-market day in Amanze Kingdom, I remove my footwear and place my barefoot on Ajan and disown you, Adaku. You are no longer to be addressed as my daughter. Neither is anyone permitted to call me your mother. You are disowned.
Adaku, I know you can't win this war. You end up creating multiple enemies for yourself, and that is what you've done.
Inena, it's better to do the right thing and have more enemies than to have fake friends around you just because you're doing the wrong thing to please them. I know it won't be easy, but it's possible. All I ask is allow me stay in your house. I'll figure out myself.
This is your house already. You're welcome anytime, any day. You can even stay as much as you want.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go. You're welcome.
My elders, I greet you all. We greet you too.
Greet you, our prince.
I am here to warn you. The greatest danger to a community is not that terrorist who owns the weapon of mass destruction, but a leader who, in a bid to self-regenerate, throws caution to the wind and blocks his ears from the voice of reasoning. That is the danger you should fear.
Ibu a clown. Arinze, you are a clown. Who are you calling a terrorist and a danger to the community? Talk to me. You are not fit to wear that crown. You're not fit at all.
Did I call your name? You know, who is this boy? Eh? Who is this boy? Who is your father? Who the hell are you?
When you get home, you ask your father if he's still alive. Who I am?
You are a madman. You have no respect. Oh, because you stole a few dollars from the white man, you think you can come here and buy the crown? You are a madman.
You are a madman. You are the madman. And for your information, I am not here to buy the crown. I am only here to take it away from cowards like you. Cowards like you who cannot even stop their sister from running away with their father's corpse. Ordinary woman. And you cannot do anything about it. There be a bullshit. How are we even sure that you can be able to protect us in this kingdom if there is some external force? No, Gbania.
Do you know your roots? Do you know your roots? Look at this boy. I attended your dedication. My mother and I attended his dedication. I was there when you were born. You are still a small boy. You're very stupid. You want to respect at all. Pick your elder. Listen, I'm fucking at my palace.
Eh? I'm fucking at my palace. I'm fucking the Tonto. Boy, oh no, Mel, we are this boy. We are naked. I was a Mel, we are naked. We are naked. Idiot. Now, boy, Jaja.
It's okay, please. I beg both of you, please, take it easy.
Go there, Fulef. Why here?
You called me an Efulefu.
I have.
Hi! Yedika! You have stepped on the tiger's tail.
Adaku!
Sit down! Please, you be pushing me.
Will you people shut up? Look at this one.
I'm not talking to both of you.
Look at this one.
Shut up! I'm looking at my palace! Please, don't shoot anybody, please.
We should understand that the throne of Amanze is not in contest. And the crown is not running away from Amanze. We, the cabinet members and the tradition of Amanze, will definitely make sure that the crown rests on the head that it fits.
Oh no, that head is mine.
Not you. You lie!
I have taken over from my father. I'm heir to the throne. And listen, I cannot be punished for a crime committed by my sister. Let us consult the oracle. Let him show us the way. Let him tell us where my father's corpse can be found. Listen, not talking about how to crown this idiot.
You are an idiot. I will not go up with the idiot.
Please.
That does not know where the father's corpse is. That you have to ask the oracle. You have to ask the glass to show you where your own father's corpse is.
It's enough. We cannot take this anymore. Can't both of you make your points without insulting each other? Okay, it's alright. This is what we are going to do. Both of you, excuse us.
Thank you, no.
Michano, what do you mean by Michano? You people should calm down. Look at this one. Calm down and listen to me. My prince. Okay. Yedika, leave.
Oh no, I want to get your back for Arinze. Arinze, your back for we have a conversation going on here. Arinze, you are the one to leave this place. Arinze, if you think that you are a man enough, come out here. Arinze, get in there. Please. If you believe that you are from the lies of a king, put that back, I believe. That dog if I'm from, I'll get in there. I don't walk with no. I'll get in there.
Deal with him.
I know you are now, Machayale Prince and Prince Anne. What nonsense.
Deal with him.
Well, okay, tell me now to go join here.
Is the enough now? What is the meaning of this?
Ihedika, do you expect me to fight you? No, I'm not going to fight you. You're just a baby. Like I said, I was there when you were born.
I'll flog you like a little child.
Anything. Arinze. Already here, Poleme.
Deal with him.
Isn't it Buake? Can Bulia? Can not see a game? My prince again.
Got Pagi bottle. Deal with him. I said, deal with him.
Are you speaking to the son of a king? For spilling that rubbish by the power vested on me as the prince of Amanze kingdom, you're hereby banished for 50 years.
Deal with him.
This is enough.
Cannot do anything.
My prince, Ibe, Madoka, everyone leave my compound now. I want to have rest. You see now, you should leave.
No, I have respect for you.
Start going, thank you. Start going. My prince, please, can you just leave? What do you people want me to do?
Oh no!
I am the crowned prince of Amanze kingdom. I want to speak with you now.
My prince, Mere looking at me, you will observe that I am collapsing. With all due respect, my prince, can you gently enter the car and leave my compound, Biko? My prince, actually, I collapse. I want to faint. No problem. My prince, do you know what? Shift. Let me gently go faint. Shift, we can faint here, Biko. Biko. Shift, we can faint here.
Oh no. A prime minister like you is supposed to be living a good life. Though that's why I came. Oh no. In here. It's a sum of 10 million naira. It's for you. You keep it and crown me the next king of Amanze community. And I assure you, oh no, I will place you on a 1 million naira monthly salary for the rest of your life. Yes.
Dikeh.
No.
10 million naira.
No. Confirm it. Adianwaka.
Okay, Mwa. Okay, Mwa. Hey, look where, man. 10 million. Man, I said, if a battle no be, Adaku. I said, ebe nke asị pụta mmaji pụrụ mmaji.
Oh no, we already mmaji pụrụ mmaji adigo. Mana ise.
Now, on the issue you are saying, I am not the only one that can take such a decision. I will require the cabinet members to join me in making this decision.
Oh no. I know with your position in this community, as you know, it's going to be easy for you to convince other elders. Sit them down, talk to them, let them see reasons. Oh no, I promise you, wherever this one comes from, there is more. And it will keep coming your way. All I need is the crown of Amanze kingdom.
Your request is not like something that cannot be achievable. But as I said, I cannot make the pronunciation alone. Yet, let me say I will use my position to talk with the elders, the cabinet members, in our next meeting.
Now we are talking.
And I believe they will see reasons with me.
Oh no.
But I'm trying to let you know that I am accepting this 10 million as a gift, not a bribe.
Oh no. You can call it whatever it is. It came as a gift. And we're going to use it. But I am assuring you, no. Crown me the next king of Amanze, and I will bring development to this community. I will make this community a place to be. I will make this community conducive enough for investors to come in and invest.
If you are talking like this...
Oh no. I will open this community. Or Dikeh Dubai. No. In fact, I will bring Dubai to this community.
Oh my God, this is what I want to hear. Oh my God. I think we're on the same page now. Because that is what we need, development. And in fact, saying this or hearing this from you, I think we're on a good side. let's see how we go about it. Nsogwadro. Eh? Nsogwadro.
Now you are speaking my language. Oh no! Oh no!
Just go home and relax. You have said what I want to hear. Development. Ubudanya bulu amanze Dubai. Development. That is what we want. Go and relax.
Okay.
The crown. You're already wearing it.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my adorable.
I know you as a man of integrity.
I know you.
Hearing this from you, I am happy. Let me go and rest.
Aye.
And then we'll talk.
Oh no, we're not going to here no 10 million.
Oh no.
Hey, over 10 million.
Let me run along. Communicate. Oh no.
Hey, come and open the gate for him. Once they see this money now, they will tell their mother. That is another problem. Let me take it inside. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Hey. My prince. Dear.
What is this fraudster doing in my house?
Eh?
What is this fraudster doing in the palace?
My prince, Biko, withdraw that statement. Because you don't have any evidence to prove that he is a fraudster. There is no evidence to prove that. And we, the council, decided that today he should be part of the council. And should be part of the meeting.
Oh no. There is no need beating a dead drum. Our people say that he who fetches an ant-infested firewood automatically invites the lizards to a feast. Arinze, you should be glad that I, Yika Obiozo, he who demands to feed, is here, live and direct, as a member of this council.
Hi. Oh no.
My prince.
Is this a prank?
Prank? No.
Are you trying to insult our culture and heritage as Igbo people?
Mbano, I cannot do such. Mbano.
Oh no. I got rapuzi omenani. Maybe omenenu.
Oh no.
What nonsense is this? This giraffe, a member of the council. Oh no.
Oh no. I would suggest you go straight to the point and let the prince know why we are here.
Yes, yes. My prince. Anyada rapu omenani. We cannot abandon our heritage. We are doing what we should do for the good of this kingdom. We are thinking about development.
No, Inatago bribe.
Mbano. The council took a decision and the decision...
Excuse me, my prince.
What is it?
The DPO is here to see you.
Police.
Let him in.
Oh no.
Police natural. Or like I did you that. No other one. Welcome.
I'm CSP Ozondo.
I know that already.
From A Division. I have a duly signed warrant of arrest.
For who?
For this man here.
I beg your pardon. What are you talking about?
Mr. Obiozo, you're under arrest for the murder of Shifobosi, your boss, who you murdered and ran away with all his money.
Hey! There is a mistake somewhere. This is a mistaken identity. There's a mix-up somewhere.
Shut up! You fraudster!
Oh no, I don't know what this man is talking. What are you talking about, DPO?
DPO. Are you sure about this information?
Very sure.
Alright. Carry on.
Mr. Obiozo, I advise you remain silent, for whatever you say here will be used against you in the court of law.
DPO. These are his partners in crime.
No.
Are they also under arrest?
No.
When we get to the station, we'll find out. Moving.
We are not accomplices.
This is a mistake.
I say move now.
Move.
This is a mistake.
Move. So we are no.
There is a mistake somewhere.
Go.
This is a mistake.
I say move.
Arinze.
He's the one. Go about.
Don't think you have won. Echelani, let me go.
Mr. Obiozo, move.
He's the one. Hey. Have you seen it? Oh, we go about blood money. Oh no. My friend. Don't feel disappointed. Don't be disappointed. I will explain that. Look at this boy he's a criminal. I've been looking at him as a criminal. My parents are people like this boy, a criminal.
Adaku, the location where you kept your late father's corpse has been identified by this chief priest. And your brother will be leading some elders to the spot this evening. So you need to move now. Leave whatever you're doing. Go and take that corpse out from that place.
They will meet shame and embarrassment if they ambush Anunebi's holy ground. Even the gods of Amanze will not be able to save them. I know who Anunebe is. They cannot get the corpse from him. It's not possible.
Prevention, they say, is better than cure. I have always known Anunebe to be a very powerful chief priest. But you never can say. Anything can happen.
Ichi, relax your mind. There's no cause for alarm. Nothing will happen. They will go and come back in shame. They can never locate that corpse. It's not possible now. It's not possible.
Adaku, something tells me that they will come back with that corpse. So please, move now. Go and move that corpse out from that place.
Today is indeed a great day. The gods have shown us mercy.
Exactly.
I'm very excited. Elders in council, I must commend your efforts towards bringing back my father's corpse. Towards bringing home the king's corpse. And by the power vested on me as the crown prince of Arinze, I shall come up with an official date for the king's burial.
Oh my God.
But bear in mind, he must be buried in line with our custom and tradition.
Excuse me. Please excuse me.
You have spoken well. And you have shown that truly you are a true son of your father.
Exactly.
But I want to ask one question. What about the mortician?
Oh no! Oh no! You have nothing to worry about. I have instructed a professional mortician to take care of my father's body.
Oh my God.
As we proceed with other things.
Oh my God.
Oh no! Oh no!
Omekania.
Oh!
Omekania.
Oh!
Omekania.
Oh!
It is Ulechizu. It is Ulechizu. Omekania. Omekania. Omekania.
Adaku.
Iche.
I warned you. I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. These people have retrieved the corpse from Arunebe. And any moment from now, they will bury the king with those innocent maidens.
They've retrieved the corpse. How did they overpower him? Are you sure of what you're saying?
I am at the palace as I'm talking to you now. And they are all dancing and celebrating. Just because of the arrival of the corpse. We have lost the battle. Because I know they are going to conduct this burial in secret. Adaku, I don't understand your kind of person. We have lost the battle. Or will you say I did not warn you?
We've not lost the battle, Maduka. It is not over until we win. Thanks for the information. I'll see what I can do. I'll think of the next plan.
Okay. If that is what you said, no problem.
Honestly, I thank the gods of the land for this huge success. My son has succeeded in bringing the father's corpse back. Honestly, this success calls for celebration.
Mother.
I'll call you back, please.
Mother, where's my husband?
He's upstairs.
Oh, his husband.
Honey! Honey! Is everything okay? Cassie, what is it?
Honey, I just got informed that your sister is in the kingdom as we speak. She has rung the emergency meeting bell and the villagers are coming out in the number to hear what she has to say.
When did this happen?
Just now. A friend of mine at the village town square called me and then she told me this. Sweetheart, please, you have to do something immediately. Do something right now before she feeds them with the wrong information about you.
Adaku has bitten more than she can chew. It's time to put her in her place.
Guards! Can you manage this way? Yeah?
My father, the late king, must be buried according to the customs and tradition of our land. But this time, we shall move at night and bury him with the maidens.
But, my prince, are we conducting a secret burial for His Royal Highness, the King of Amanze?
My sister cannot be trusted. She has promised to strike again. And I have also promised to kill her myself. We shall be going with the strongest, the finest guards, and also the chief priest. If I see her around that environment, I'll kill her. And listen to me. Whoever feeds my sister with information about our plans should also tell her this. If I see her around that environment, I swear by the throne of my fathers, I'll cut off her head and feed it to my dogs. Any objections? Any objections? Ibe!
My prince.
Someone begged on your behalf. Onowu begged on your behalf. If you want to test my strength, go against me one more time.
Thank you, my prince.
My prince, you have truly spoken like a lion.
You have fought a good fight, and your name will be remembered. So it's time to move on. We can't defeat these people. And as for me, I've given up.
Why? Because of my brother's threats to kill me? I'm not giving up on this battle. I will never.
Bravery is knowing when to quit. Going forward with this fight will be so suicidal. And I advise, please don't show up there.
Uncle, I will show up there. Nothing goes up. I have a plan.
What plan?
You can only use it at night. And make sure you return it to me first thing tomorrow morning.
Thank you, Sia. I really appreciate this. Thank you. But won't the chief priest find out? Won't the gods reveal it to him?
You don't have to bother yourself. I'll handle that from here. The chief priest would think the gods did it. So you can go.
Thank you, great one.
You can go.
As I call your names into this pot, I command the both of you to walk into the graveyard of the king. You must obey my command. Kasie Ebuka. Kasie Ebuka. Go!
Hey! What's going on here? What's happening here? Cassie? Oh no, eh? What nonsense is this? What is my wife doing here? Who brought you here? Cassie? Who brought you to this place? Cassie? Hey! Cassie, what are you doing here? You're not supposed to be seen here. Who brought you here? Do you want to die? You know what the tradition says. Anyone found in the graveyard must be buried with the king. My prince, strangle him to death. If you say this one more time, I'm going to kill you. My prince, don't you recognize my wife? Please, ignore him. Let us pay attention to these two. These are our loved ones. Oh no! Eh? What is my wife doing here? My prince said you can't do one here. The issue now is that the chief priest said that we should meet him here. The royal graveyard. Now we are here. We are meeting my son and your wife. Can we send for the chief priest? How did they get here? My prince, what do you expect me to say now? It is only the chief priest that can tell us what is happening and free them. Get the chief priest at once. You. Eh! Oh no, my prince, it is clear that this man wants my lineage. Oh no, who? Eh? What is the meaning of this? Let the chief priest go first. What is my wife doing here? How did she get here? It is only the chief priest that will tell us why. How can he tell us that he is here and we are here now, he is not here? Only for us to make us stand up. Cassie? Cassie? Are you in the bathroom? She's in the bathroom. Cassie? Cassie? Are you here? She's not in the bathroom. Where could she be at this time of the night? This is serious. Cassie? 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 She's not here either. Cassie? Or is she in the kitchen? Cassie?
Oh no! There's something you're not telling me.
My prince, I'm telling you everything.
How did they get here?
My prince, I don't know. Let's wait for the chief priest to be here.
But you've known this tradition for years.
Let us wait for the chief priest. Where is the chief priest?
My prince.
Yes.
Hello.
Speak!
The chief priest refused following me back.
What? Eh?
He said every one of you should come back to the shrine for a reprocession.
A reprocession?
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let us go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let us go.
Hey, move. Move.
Start going. Start going. Be going in. My son must be free.
Okay? Okay? Let's go. Cassie, no, Cassie, it's me. You forget yourself. It's me. It's me. Hey, Cassie. Cassie, look at me. How did you get here?
I don't know.
Can you see me? It's me. How did you get here?
I don't know.
What happened?
I don't know. I was in our bedroom.
Okay.
So I was.
Speak to me!
I don't know. Suddenly I heard a voice.
You heard the voice, okay?
That's the only thing I can remember.
That's the only thing you can remember. Nothing else.
Please, I don't want to die.
My prince.
I don't want to die. Something needs to be done. I'm too young to die. I can't die at this age.
It's okay. My prince, what other explanation do you need to know the gods chose them for sacrifice? They must be buried with the king, else there will be consequences. You heard the chief priest said the king will no longer be buried with the selected maidens. Instead, he will be buried with anyone found in the graveyard to complete the sacrifice of the great covenant. You heard him say that.
Are you challenging me?
I'm not challenging you, my prince.
Are you challenging my orders? No. Huh? Now listen and listen good. Let the heavens fall. Let the earth break loose. My wife will not be buried with my father. Oh, I have a good idea. We can use you for the grave ritual. You can make yourself available for the grave ritual. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Papa. Listen, let me tell you. There is nobody that is going to touch you or use you for any stupid ritual. Do you hear me?
Yes, Papa.
By the way, how did you get yourself into that royal graveyard? How were you able to get in there?
Papa.
Who took you there?
Papa, honestly, I don't know how it happened. It was as if I was controlled by his strange voice. Before I know, I lost my consciousness. I don't know how it happened.
I don't care whatever voice or whatever nonsense that they use to control you. Nobody will touch you. Nobody will use you.
Yes, Papa.
As long as I still breathe in this very kingdom, that tradition cannot take my son away. It's not possible.
Yes,
let us go. Let us go. Let us go. This is a typical example of saying that an elder cannot sit and watch the goat deliver on titas. It will not happen. I will not be alive and watch this happen. This evil, barbaric ritual needs to be abolished. I lost my wife 2 years ago. And now you think I will allow my son to be buried alive with the king? No, it will not happen. This very barbaric ritual, it must stop. It will not hold. It will not hold at all. What is the meaning of this? It must end.
Guards, stop her.
Adaku, what are you doing in this palace? Mother disowned and banished you.
That was a mere declaration made out of anger. Royalty still flows in my blood, and I'm back to my father's house.
Stop her!
More for road. I heard what happened. I heard your wife Cassie and Onowu's son were found in the grave of the king, sleeping. Hey! Aru. Abomination. You know what it means? Culture is not blind. The tradition says that whoever or whatever is found in the grave of the king must be buried with the king. It don't be, oh. They must follow the king.
Which tradition are you talking about? What do you know about tradition? That stupid ritual must not hold.
Okay. Our sacred tradition is now a stupid ritual. Because your son is now involved? Oh no! Tradition must be obeyed. Your son must accompany the king to the great beyond.
Over my dead body will it hold? Not when I'm still alive. Over my dead body will it happen.
My prince, you have 2 days to present your wife. Oh no, you equally have 2 days to present your son for the grave ritual. The custom and the tradition of our land must prevail, else there will be consequences.
Which consequences? No, tell me. Which consequences are you talking about? We know the genesis of this very thing you are talking about. And it is high time we told the people the truth. This very covenant can be broken. You and I knows about it.
Which covenant? Wait, oh, Chirukwa. I hear covenant. I beg, which covenant now they talk about? It don't be, oh, waiting they sup. Truth don't they come out? Eh, bro. You dey hear wetin they know? I beg, which covenant did they talk about? Knock me the tori, my ears are open. Waiting they sup. Waiting they occur.
Don't want to tell you. My prince, this very ritual we are talking about started years back when our people were invaded. Foreigners invaded this very land, killed men and families. As a result of that, our people ran into the forest. They went to seek refuge, to seek for help from the forest, and they granted their request, came and defended them, gave them victory on that very war, but with their condition. And the condition was that once a king dies, 2 maidens must be buried. And also whatsoever or whoever that is found in the grave, that same thing must be buried with the king. Now our people came back. We had everything flourishing. And he also left them with a condition that after 50 years, that very covenant can be broken. Must be broken, in fact. Now we are over 70 years. My prince, are you not seeing it that it is time we break this evil covenant that makes us to have this very evil practice called burying someone alive with a king?
I am disappointed in you, Ono. You are supposed to be a custodian of this culture and also a defender of this culture. Look at the way you are acting like a little baby. What do you know about Ani Forest? What do you know?
Why are you dressed like this and what's the bag for?
Arinze, it is only a 3 that we hear that it is about to be cut down and still remain on the same spot. I have booked my flight to Canada. I'm leaving this country immediately.
Did I hear you right? You have booked a flight to Canada and you're leaving the country immediately. Without my consent? Without my consent?
I don't... I'm aware of it.
What?
Yes, she needs to leave this kingdom. The whole matter is getting more serious than I thought. As you can see, it's only the Onowu that is on your side. The rest elders are with the chief priest. This is the best option for us. She needs to leave.
Baby, it's for our own good. I have to do this and for the sake of our baby too, please.
Yes.
In that case, I'll take you to the airport.
Oh, no. Don't worry, I got this.
The decision just came up. It's not as if we planned it earlier. But the way things are going, we just need to do this. Please, my son. Just understand this.
Are you hearing me?
Yes,
you have to be very, very careful and fast. Are you hearing me?
Yes, Papa.
I have made the transfer. Make use of the money to establish yourself. Wherever you get to that you feel that is safe for you, once you arrive, you call me.
Yes, Papa.
Then the money, anything you feel that will be okay for you, that you can manage and establish yourself, then you invest it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate for all you have done for me, for all your care and support in making sure that I become a better person in life.
Yes.
I really appreciate it. Thank you,
That is what I'm still doing by making sure that you leave this very village now. As I am talking to you now, you are going. You are already going. Start going.
Okay, Papa.
Be going.
Papa, I will miss you.
Be going. Papa. Just don't miss me now. Just go. Don't look back. Be running now. Go.
Cassie! Turn back! Walk to the Shiran and join other maidens and Onowu's son. Pending when a new date will be fixed for the burial of the king. Go!
We know your father will show you this route to follow and escape. But the gods are wiser than men. You know what? You will be buried with the king. And there is no two ways about it.
Iche, please. Please. I am too young to die. I can't be buried with the king. Please.
Go back to the shrine and stay with others, pending when a new date will be fixed for the burial of the king.
My prince in Subude. Problem? Ife kanta bakute gonte no kana kowalage. What I'm trying to say is that Nife ke noluneke dinelugo. Hey!
Oh no. My prince, you speak in riddles. Kindly speak to me in plain terms.
Oh, in riddles. In riddles. My prince, what I'm telling you is that my only child, Ofumwamu Ofuanyajis and your wife, both of them were captured as they were about leaving this very kingdom and have been taken to the shrine about to be used for the grave ritual. They have been prepared for the grave ritual.
Oh no. What nonsense are you talking about? My wife is on her way to the airport.
Which airport? Which airport are you talking about? I am telling you that both of them are seated at the shrine, hypnotized, about to be used for the grave ritual in Asimo Airport. Airport on there. Where is she going to? She's already at the shrine. Hey! My prince, we need to do something. Even maybe go. Hey!
Oh no.
Hey! Oh
no. Are you sure about this?
Am I sure? Your wife, my son, my only son.
Let's go.
Let's go, because let's go.
You are one of the best strategists that I've ever seen. You have caused confusion amongst them, and they are now running helter-skelter.
Maduka, life is all about politics. I noticed that violence won't solve the problem, so I decided to play the traditional politics with them. You see this confusion I have created?
Yeah.
It will bet an everlasting solution to the problem.
I believe you. This is real politics.
Drink Iche.
Hey, you can say that again. So it is the prince and the Onu that are now fighting against the tradition that they once supported. What's in life?
Drink Iche. Okay. You don't be you. You don't be.
My wife is pregnant, which is my only assurance of ascending the throne. If anything happens to my wife and my unborn child, I will never forgive myself. I should have supported my sister to fight this evil tradition, this evil culture.
I regret not supporting Adaku when she was making effort to stop this evil culture of burying the living with the dead. I cannot watch them bury my daughter-in-law with my unborn grandchild. It's not happening.
We have no other choice than to save them. My son, the wife to my prince, and the unborn child, Madeto. No.
But the problem is, how do we solve the puzzle of entering the forest, coming out alive with the covenant box so that we can break that covenant? All the people that have tried to go into that forest, none returned alive. How can we convince anyone to embark on such a risky and suicidal venture?
No, we can't just sit here and conclude that there are no able men in this community that will be willing to take such risk. Son, all you need to do is to call for an emergency meeting. Let all the young able men gather here in the palace and make a very beautiful offer to them. Somebody will be willing to take the risk of saving this land.
That's a good idea. That's a very good idea.
Okute! Okute!
I bow before the earth to the children of Amaze. Speak, and your words shall be carried out as law.
Okute,
My prince.
listen and listen good. There's an important announcement to be made. The royal town crier made the announcement 2 days ago. Yet, no one has come forward. But I insist, the tradition must be abolished. It must be abolished.
And the forest is dangerous and deadly. I am certain that no one will be willing to take the risk. No one will go.
I will go. I'll go into the forest and break the covenant box. I'll come home with the agreement symbol that will be destroyed.
Adaku, have you lost your mind? What the hell are you trying to do? Do you want to get killed?
Look at the both of you. All of a sudden, you all want the tradition to be abolished because it concerns you and your loved ones. When it was about the poor village people, when it was about the innocent maidens, you insisted that the tradition must prevail. Anyways, I am not going to count your wrongs. I'll go.
Then if you are certain that you have decided to take the risk, you have to come to the shrine for fortification.
My princess, that will be important.
I am not interested. I can take care of myself. I'll go. Enough is enough. Enough of the bloodshed that entails burying the king with innocent people. It cannot continue. It has to stop. I will take the risk.
Then be ready to take the risk and enjoy the consequences.
Take it. Everything you need for this journey is inside this bag. It's not going to be easy, but with determination and the gods of justice, you will come home victorious.
Thank you, wise one. May the gods continue to increase you in wisdom and strength. I have to go now. Take care of yourself.
You can go with the cause of justice. Go! Go!
I'm out to save my kingdom. No matter the cost, I will fight it to the end. I can do it. Yeah.
Adaku! Daughter of King Akwamaka, daughter of grace. Welcome. I am the only one who can take you to where the covenant box is.
Something tells me to trust you. I will be grateful if you can take me to the covenant box.
I have waited. I have waited for this day to come. I will take you to the covenant box. But there are conditions. You shall give me one of your eyes. An eye for an eye. An eye for an eye. Give me one of your eyes.
No. I can't give you one of my eyes. How can you even make such a demand? I'm here to break the covenant my forefathers had with the god of Ini, and not even my fingers will be used in exchange for that.
You want the covenant box, and you cannot give something as simple as an eye! Give me your eyes! No. Then go back! Go back to your fatherland! Go back!
No. I am not going back. I have come too far. I must see to the end of this. There's no backing out.
Then face the consequences. Give me your eyes. Give me your eyes. Give me your eyes. Give me
my eyes! I can't see with my left eyes. I'm partially blind. What have you done to me?
An eye for an eye.
No!
Come.
No!
Come.
I'm out to save my kingdom. No matter the cost, I'm fighting to the end.
No. God of our land, what is this? No! Stay away from me! No! 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 No!
Ezemo, you're not saying anything to us. Say something. How is my daughter? Is she safe? It's been 2 days. Speak to us.
She has started having challenges in getting the covenant box.
Can you see her? Is she alright? How is my daughter?
I can't see her, but I can see pains. I can feel her pains. Pains is all I feel.
Wise one, you need to search further. We need to ensure she is progressing.
Bro, had a go. Na de go. Got it on you. Got it on you. Got it on you. On our way. 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 This is a bad omen. My staff has fallen. This is a bad omen. I can't see her again. I can't see her again. This is a bad omen. I can't see her again. Hey.
Wise one. What's going on? You need to protect her. You need to do everything in your power to protect her.
It's not easy. It's not as easy as you think.
Ezemo, look for my daughter now. Look for my daughter. Can't you see? Are you not the Ezemo? Eh?
Wise one.
Have the gods forsaken us?
I can only see death. Death is roving around her. The spirit of death is trying to take her away.
Wise one, you have to protect her. You have to do everything possible to protect her. Wise one, you are the eyes of the gods. Please protect her. What do your gods want? Do they need blood? I can provide 20, 30, even 50 tons of blood.
Don't be sarcastic! Don't be sarcastic, young man!
Ezemo, please. She is the only hope we have to abolish this evil culture. Do everything you can to save her and rescue her. Biko.
Ezemo, please. My daughter cannot die. Please, help her.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? I warned you. But you people wouldn't listen because of your stubbornness. Nobody goes into that forest and return alive. Once you get into that forest, you are dead. Not to talk of getting close to where the box, the covenant box is kept. We should have respected ourselves. We should have respected our custom.
Oh, damn it! What custom do you mean? What custom are you talking about? You want me, Prince Arinze, to watch you
bury my wife who is pregnant with my first seed. My only assurance to ascend the thrones of my fathers. Are you out of your mind? That will never happen. That can never happen!
It is very, very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate, because there is nothing you nor anybody can do about it. Yes, the white man's religion came, but they couldn't stop it. Even the government that tried to stop it all died mysteriously. You just have to prepare your mind. Little boy, prepare your mind. Prepare your mind against the worst. Because if by this time tomorrow Adaku do not return, we shall be left with no option than to commence the grave ritual. And there is nothing you nor anybody can do about it. It is time for me to take my leave.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Hey.
Now listen and listen good. If you do not run after the chief priest and stop him from performing that evil ritual in the name of tradition, I'll have your head on a stake.
Hey! Prince Biko, my son's head is already on the stake, not my own.
What do you want, woman?
Why are you stopping the process? Able spirits of Annie. I plead on her behalf. She's too young to be wasted. I know she violated the rules by coming into the forest. But her mission is fueled by her love and passion for her people. Remember, we had a covenant with her forefathers that the grave ritual can be broken after 50 years. But this is 70 years. Let her be. Please. Thank you so much. I never expected this from you. I really appreciate. You have to go back. You have to go back. You cannot get to the covenant box. Go back. Goddess of Annie Forest, I can't go back. I need to get his covenant box and break it so that my people can be free from this evil tradition. Please help me. I don't want to go back. I have done everything to help you. This journey is fruitless. Go back. No. No. No, I have come too far. No. No, please. Go! No, No! Goddess! 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 Goddess!
This is the covenant for
Great Annie, I greet you. I am Adaku, the daughter of late King Akwamaka of Amanze Kingdom. I'm here to put an end to the covenant you had with our forefathers. I'm here with the approval of the elders of our land and the chief priest. The world has evolved. We cannot continue to bury our kings with human lives. Great Annie, I am here to break the covenant box and take home the symbol of agreement you had with our forefathers.
Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around.
Maidens of Amaze Kingdom, your freedom has come. From today, none of you will be buried with any king that dies. Thank you, Goddess of Ani. Thank you so much. Yes! Yes!
Congratulations, Adaku. You have done what even men in your kingdom were afraid to do. You might have lost your sight, but your name shall forever be written in the history of Amaze.
This is a scar of a warrior. No one passes through the fire and come out the same. I do not feel bad about this. This is a price I paid for my people to be free.
For your good heart, let the symbol of agreement restore all that you've lost.
Ani! Ani! I can see. I can see! Oh my goodness. Thank you, Goddess of Ani. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Go, daughter of Amaze.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm out to save my kingdom. No matter the cost, I will fight it to the end.
Amanze, when?
Yeah.
When?
Yeah.
When's one?
Yeah.
Indeed, today is a great day. A day of honor to this very kingdom. Our daughter, Adamanze, Adaku, you have immortalized your name by this singular act of yours. And the entire kingdom of Amanze is proud of you. I want to use this medium to apologize to you on behalf of the entire kingdom. That we resisted every of your efforts in making sure that this barbaric, evil tradition we practice here is abolished. Forgive us. We did not understand what you were doing. We didn't see reasons with you. But now, we have come to understand. And we have seen the benefit of what you did. Onobria, your gallant effort has finally brought us that victory. And on that note, I am saying, as the Onowu of this kingdom, may Chukwu Okike Abiama and the ancestors of this kingdom continue to guide your footsteps. Continue to bless you. Continue to bring good tidings to you.
Thank you, no. I want to believe we have all learned our lessons. You don't have to wait to be affected by evil before you do something about it. Do not keep quiet because an evil tradition is favoring you and your loved ones. Tomorrow, it might come for you and your loved ones. I have brought this home. The covenant box have been broken. And in it, I found the agreement symbol. Today, we shall all agree that we will never bury the living and the dead. Never again.
Never again.
Never again.
This is a historic event that we all will live to remember. Adaku, you have made us proud. The history of this land will not be complete without mentioning your name.
It is true.
The two acquired confronts. It shall be well with you in Eke. It shall be well with you in Ore. It shall be well with you in Afo.
By the power vested on me as the Onowu of Amanze kingdom, I hereby crown you today Eze Okpata Ozuora, the second of Amanze kingdom. Okay. Oh yeah. Afo. Ukwo. Uchikwan. And the staff of office. Igwe.
Cha, Amanze kwenu?
Yeah.
Kwenu?
Yeah.
Kwezonu?
Yeah.
Odowu? Kekosada.
Ona ofuma. Okwanogo nwa bụ Okpata Ozuora the second. Anya Amanze Jafuzo. It is well with our kingdom. May God spirit you. Yes.
My king.
Oh.
My king.
Oh.
My king.
Oh. Igwe. No. My king, in line with the tradition of this very kingdom, after the coronation, you are to grace your subjects and address them. But before we proceed to that, we wish to seek your approval on a decision that the cabinet members have already reached. We have agreed that an office that will be represented by a woman should be created among the Council of Chiefs. And on that note, we are seeking your approval to approve this very office that we have created. We have no other one in mind to be among the Council of Chiefs. Someone that is vocal, that have been speaking for the good of this kingdom. Someone that have fought for the good of this kingdom. No other person than our princess, your sister. We wish to honor her with the title of Eziada. So we are saying, let us complete the crowning before both of you can now go and grace and address the entire members of Amanze Kingdom. No, my kingdom.
You have spoken well. You're a good man. And you have my support and my blessings.
Please, let them go and inform our princess. By the power vested on me as the Onowu of this great kingdom, I am decorating you today as Eziada of Amanze Kingdom.
You say... Thank you, everyone. I will cherish this day for the rest of my life.
Adaku, my daughter.
Mother.
If a mother is supposed to kneel for her child, I will do that 10 times without shame. But from the depth of my heart, I am deeply sorry for all I did to you. And I take that statement of disowning you back. You are my child. And you forever remain my child. I bless you today. And I decree that everything good in this life shall all be yours.
Thank you, Mother. Thank you.
You're blessed.
Igwe, may you reign forever.
Adaku, I want to use this opportunity to apologize to you and also tell you thank you for saving my life and that of others. I mean, you risked your life to save us all. Thank you so much. Despite everything we did to you, I'm so grateful.
It's okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Igwe, shall we proceed? Your people are waiting for you.
Sure.
Cha! Amanze, Kwanu!
Yeah!
Kwanu!
Yeah!
Kwanu!
Yeah!
Let's go outside.
Mena na debara nyabia manoge wuzi anyebu ewelukene nuwayo ifedi akuga joyo asimka ewelukene nuwayo ifedi akuga joyo You don't have the right to take someone's life just because of tradition. Yeah. And how long will this keep happening? Olemboge bikanjua. Uwabonye nisia. You came alone, you will go alone. And that's how it's supposed to be. Ayaga nguromena na kanjua. We're looking at why Uwabonye nisia. Akwa kodimma kanazo Mena na debara nyabia manoge wuzi anyebu kawelukene nuwayo ifedi akuga joyo